Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you beautiful DSpace theme, fully customized. And friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my wonderful blog. Here is my blog, therichpost.com, contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And also, on my blog, you will get multiple free e-commerce templates, admin dashboard templates, and so on. So back to the theme demo. See guys, here we go and watch. The top nav section, see the company logo and the nav bar and the login button with pop-up login form. Scroll a little bit down the beautiful hero section, see friends. Scroll down, trending searches. This is how effects. Scroll a bit down, feature collection, and one thing you will see the sticky header. Now the feature collection, see friends. Beautiful. Scroll a bit down, the search spotlights, and repo analytics, see friends. Latest publications and transfer your academic repository and the bibliography footer as well. So friends, this is the DSpace homepage theme demo, and friends, after it I will cover the most stuff. And one thing I must say, if you will have any kind of DSpace work, then feel free to contact me anytime. And also I'm full-time freelancer, you can hire me. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.